See, now we are going to see what is the output resistance. Okay, for output resistance, the first thing is you have to disconnect your load. And you have to look from the output side, what is the resistance? What is the resistance? And you have to make Vs equal to 0. These things you have to do. So short circuit your input side, remove your load and find what is R0F. So see here, that is what is given. So for this feedback, for finding out R0F, first disconnect your load or consider RL to be infinity, and then you should short circuit your source. You should short circuit your source, or I can say it is equivalent to putting Vs equal to 0. It is equivalent to putting Vs equal to 0. Okay. So RF, finding R0F. For finding R0F, the input side I have made the thing to be 0. So I don't have any input voltage. So what I should do, I should apply some voltage across the output side to measure what is the output current, correct? So output is also open, input signal is also the not given, means I cannot find what is the thing, right? So that is what you say. Since we have put Vs equal to 0 at the output side, I'll be exciting the output side by an voltage capital V, and I'll be finding what is the current delivered because of this voltage source capital V. So name the current to be I. So R0F is going to be V by I. Basically, that is the logic we are going to be using for finding out the output impedance. And I will not have V0. Here V0 and V are same, because what I apply is V0, what I measure is V, what I apply is V, what I measure is V0. So both are going to